Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make soup with corn flour. Stir a corn flour slurry into simmering stock to thicken quickly and avoid lumps. Start by toasting corn flour briefly to deepen flavor, then whisk with cold water before adding. Season gradually and taste as you go, adjusting salt, acid, and heat to reach the consistency you prefer. Serve with fresh herbs and a squeeze of lime for brightness. Gather your ingredients and set up stations for stirring, seasoning, and tasting so the process feels relaxed and efficient. Make the slurry in a separate bowl and keep a whisk handy to smooth lumps right away. Heat the base gently and add the slurry slowly while whisking to control thickening. Taste frequently and add acid or salt in small increments to balance flavors and lift the dish. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers are perfect for storing hot soup and preventing spills when you grab lunch on the go, plus they stack neatly in the fridge. I use them for portioning leftovers and bringing meals to work without mess. Check the video description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by heating your stock to a gentle simmer and whisk in the slurry steadily to avoid sudden clumps or uneven spots. Once the soup reaches the right body, lower the heat to keep it silky while flavors meld. Remember that corn flour thickens more as it cools, so aim for a slightly looser finish in the pot. Finish with herbs or acid to brighten and serve promptly for best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.